for me, nako-correlate ko siya sa hope. Belief of something na wala pa naman talaga sa harap mo. Pag kasi meron kang gustong ma-achieve sa life, may mga darating talaga na challenges to you na minsan parang gusto mong mag-quit. Maganda kasi makinig minsan ng mga success stories, parang ang sarap ng buhay, 'di ba? Parang rainbows and butterflies. Pero hindi naman ganoon eh. Actually, if you're on the other end ng trying to achieve something great for yourself, tapos nandun ka sa side na you fail, you need to bounce, then you fail again, then you need to bounce back again. Parang darating sa point na it's almost disheartening. Pero for me, yung faith is yung despite yung hardships, despite yung challenges, nakikita mo pa rin yung light at the end of the tunnel, na alam mo na yung mismong pursuit ng light na yun is already worth it.